By this station, we are demonstrating our SmartVDO Eye, which is the 4K 60 AI integrated camera. So as you can see here, our SmartVDO Air is basic on Orin NX. So the Orin NX that we have integrated with the Sony sensor cameras. So the Sony sensor, we are able to support 8 megabyte pixel and also 12 megabyte pixel, and it's capable to support 4K 60, and it's also able to support a global shadow. So the global shadow is able to support really quick movement, like in games, in sports event, which is better than the rolling shadow. So this is our SmartVDO Air. So you see here we have two live demo. One is the generative AI, and the other one is the multi-AI. So on the generative AI, as you see here, we have demonstrated different kind of board. For example, so you can see the image, a large brown bear. So when we show the picture directly, the generative AI will be able to describe the sentences and describe the image automatically. This is what we are showing here. On the other side that we are showing is the multi-AI, that we are able to show three different kind of AI application basic on our SmartVDO, which is the Orin NX. So as you can see here, we can have license plate detection. In the same time, you can see we have a face recognition and also skeleton detection. So we have those multiple AI running at Orin NX, which is integrated with our Sony sensor camera. So this is actually our embedded PC, which is basic on Orin NX, integrated with the Sony 4K 60 camera. So you can use that in smart industry or education to have the generative AI and also multiple AI. This is what we are designing for.